Ho, ho, ho!
This is a crazy clause right here.
Crazy catty claws right here.
This thing smells. I don't know where this came from, but there's an odor of urine. Or that's you.
Stop
Did
it!
you see what happened? Did you see what happened Friday, by the way?
No.
The homeless pet of the week peed all over Dallas. First time in 12 years. I mean, it was a wet
Well, it
pea
wasn't
shirt.
my first time.
Wet
wet
pea
pea
shirt
shirt.
contest. Hey, it's Make Your Monday, Cadillac Jack, Dallas, and Tug, and we are traveling this weekend to Conyers to spend some time with the Moss family. They're celebrating Christmas in July this Saturday with family and friends in Rockdale County because...
He's not going to be able to talk if you do that.
I like
and it's
it
going
like
to itch his
that.
nose all crazy.
It's okay.
because Shirley, who is a 20-year employee of the Conyers Police Department, her health is not well, and the family does not suspect that she'll be around to celebrate Christmas or her birthday, which is the 26th of December. So we're celebrating with the family. If you want to hear the call, enter the keyword Monday in the search box. You're already here, kicks1015.com, and we love you for that.
Ho, ho, ho!
Merry Christmas in July!